Welcome to Verbably. Today's lesson is about phrasal_verb_lesson. Master 5 Work phrasal verbs for office productivity. Master 5 Essential English phrasal verbs to talk about daily office tasks, paperwork, and deadlines confidently. Fill out. Use fill out when writing required information in spaces on a form or official document. Please fill out this application form before your interview. Hand in. Use hand in when giving completed work, assignments, or documents to a manager or teacher. All employees must hand in their weekly reports by Friday afternoon. Look over. Use look over when examining a document or written work briefly to check for errors. Could you look over my email to check for mistakes before I send it? Put off. Use put off when delaying a task or meeting until a later time or date. We had to put off the team meeting until next Tuesday. Wrap up. Use wrap up when completing or bringing an activity, meeting, or workday to a close. Let us wrap up this meeting so everyone can return to work. Notice how put off is often followed by an action ending in ing, like putting off writing. Use these phrasal verbs to describe starting, reviewing, submitting, delaying, and finishing daily tasks. If you learned something new, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Find the full lesson and more free quizzes on school.dxt.ma.